Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of Nifty Bank Nifty levels for the next trading session, and we will see a particular view for the Nifty and Bank Nifty index for next couple of days. And we have seen a great momentum in today's trading session, especially in the Bank Nifty. We have seen a good momentum, almost more than 1,000 point move in a single day. So that's the amazing move. So let's analyze today's market on a daily time frame. This is a daily time frame chart of Nifty Bank Index and spot price chart. We have seen a good momentum in this last trading session, that is 2nd of November. Importantly, we have seen this is the area of resistance for Nifty Bank Index. So let me mark this area, which is around 25,213. So this will be a very crucial resistance for Bank Nifty. If the breakout appears, then we will see a good upside momentum. But if Bank Nifty not able to break this level in next one or two trading session, then we will have a very good downside momentum as well. So be careful, because this is a very important level of resistance, because previously the selling pressure has been started from this point. One more thing we can add here, by confirming this resistance of this entire fall of this March COVID-19 fall. If I can take a simple retracement here from this point, to this point, then 61% retracement comes also around the same zone. So this area will be a very important area of resistance. So once the Bank Nifty crosses this level of 25,200 or 300 decisively, we will have a very good upside momentum. So market is near to a make or break condition right now, which is very important for Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is much volatile compared to the Nifty index. One important thing is, we have seen this last momentum, this rally, and we have seen good momentum here also. So if I can take this retracement, then 38% retracement comes near to this 23,300 level. So this is the first area of support. If market is not going upside, then we will see 23,300 level again, because this is a Fibonacci retracement level of 38%. So keep these levels in your watch list for next couple of days. Let me mark the level. 23,300 is an important area of support. And moving average slope is upside right now on a daily time frame, and RSI is also above 60, which is a good sign, by the way. But very importantly, it is also forming a negative divergence also. Here this is a higher high, but here RSI is making lower low. So next day, next one or two trading session is very important. The Bank Nifty will near to a make or break condition right now. So once the breakout appears, whether it's at upside or whether the upside breakout fails, then we will have a proper momentum and we'll have a good direction in the Bank Nifty index. So these are the levels we can watch for next couple of days, at least next 2 days. Okay, let me check the Nifty index. So this is the Nifty index chart. We have seen two. This is a spinning candle on last trading session, and today's trading session, 2nd November, is a hammer candlestick pattern forming at an important area of support of this moving average. Earlier also, moving average has taken, the market has taken support near to moving average and back to the again upside of this moving average. So this will play a very crucial role in next couple of days, because this is a reversal candlestick pattern, and we have seen a small downtrend here, and after that reversal candlestick pattern appears. RSI is near to a 40 zone, around 48 zone, so which is a good sign. One more thing, Nifty index is near to a resistance of 38% of retracement of this entire swing. We have taken this point to this point as a swing, and 38% comes near to 11,550, and exactly near the important area of moving average support, and the reversal candlestick pattern also forms at the 38% retracement. So that's a good sign for bulls. If this candle low and this moving average level, if not broken out next couple of days, then we will have a good upside momentum. Once this low has been broken out, then we will have some kind of again correction in next couple of days. So the same retracement we are going to use. Right now it is taking support at 38% retracement, then next support will be at 61% retracement. Okay, so let me mark the 61% retracement level. which is comes around 11,250, going to be a very important area of support. And we have seen the market is Nifty is facing struggling to go above this area. Let me mark the area. 12,060. 12,060, 12,050 is the area of resistance. Once we have seen a good breakout about 12,060, then we will have a good upside momentum, bullish momentum on Nifty index as well. So these are the two levels you need to watch for next couple of days. 11,250 important area of support, and 12,060, 12,050 is the important area of resistance for Nifty index. So this is a view for both the index Nifty and Bank Nifty we have seen. So these are the levels you need to watch for next couple of days. Make sure that you trade with a smaller quantity, so it will not damage you if you have hit your the losses in the trading. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, you can hit the like button to subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.